Hey guys, Chick Tap Top back, and today we will be playing, by probably soon title, but we are playing Bee Swarm Simulator. We've never played this on the channel and I am really excited. Let me just close the door. There we go. I'm so excited to play this, I'm telling you. So, yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, so I have played it a tiny bit before just to get a taste on what it's like. Yeah, and I just thought it'd be a great idea to do this for a video, so yeah. At the moment I have 6 bees, I think I have 6. I'll count later. Okay, we have been assigned the task, defeat 3 ladybirds, 3 rhino beetles. Get 5 honey tokens, 2,000 goo. I don't know why, but the brown bear said I need to do something on the pineapple patch, but I can't exactly get to that yet. Yeah, so I am just a beginner. I haven't played as much as some other guys have, but it's quite a fun game. I thought, well, let's do this for a video. So yeah, out, rhino beetle, please don't kill me. No, if you just stand down here, wait. Can they not get to you? Oh my god. I don't think they can get to you if you just stand there. So that's quite... Right, okay. Yes, wait. Why haven't I defeated that ladybird yet? Guys! Defeat it, please! I need you guys to defeat it to finish my last task. Come on. Come on, guys. Seriously. Okay, ouch. No, don't corner me, please. There we go. Ugh, my mouse is stuck. Oh, let's get back to the panda. Let's go. Let's get back to this panda. Right, rhino beetle, please. I am really not in the mood. Thank you. I'm not in the mood at all. Ouch, stop it. Okay, thank you, Spider. I really don't want to deal with you right now. You know what? Let's just kill her. You get 1,000 honey anyway. Right, Spider. Please don't kill me. Please, I just want. I've got tons of honey on me. Please, please, just don't. No, he's gonna lunge for me, isn't he? Please, bees, just take care of him. Okay, I'm literally just prancing around the place. Okay, he's on red health. Yeah, well done, bees. I would high five you, but you see, you haven't really got a hand, so not a... Rhino beetles, please, not the time. Seriously. Right, let's get back to MR Panda then. Hello. Yay. Take this. What? Oh, yay. 1,000 honey. That's quite nice now. Let's come. I literally just defeated him, dude. Come on. Dude. Oh, he doesn't spawn for like half an hour. See? Dude, I literally just killed one. Dude, no. Poops a lot. Dude, panda, no. Ugh. Right then. Wait, do these flowers lead somewhere? I don't know. I'm just gonna quickly see what these... Oh, what's that weird patch of... Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Where am I? Oh my god! What's happening? Oh my god! What is that? Oh my god! He is eliminating me real fast. Oh my god! What is this? What is this? Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! What is that? Oh my god! What is that? Is that some sort of like beetle boss? Oh my god! What is that? Oh my god! Oh my god, that was so weird. Okay, I'm reading a bit of health. I bet it's really strong. Like, I bet if you beat it, you get like 20,000 honey or something. Right, come on. Right. Just keep prancing around the place. He's gonna eliminate. Right, I'm just gonna show myself out, please. No, maybe I won't show myself out then. Right, that was a fail. And I lost that honey. Luckily it wasn't too much. How much is my next egg? How much is my next egg? 15,000 honey! Sorry guys, you can't see it, but it's 15,000 honey. You've got to be kidding. Okay, great. Sorry guys, you can't see it, but it does say it. No, it's not 15,000. Okay, I'm fine. I'll move the camera. 15,669 honey. Like, what is that? Right, like, see what you've done. I can't readjust it. Please don't wibble. Thank you. Okay, let's leave this shop. Okay, I guess we can just defeat one spider, and I get a royal jelly, but I don't exactly need one. So yeah. Come on, guys. Collect up this good honey. I mean pollen. Why do I always call it honey? Oh, I probably won't be doing the Spider Slayer thing today, because like this is gonna probably become a series. Like, there will be a part 2 to this. Where, yeah. So make sure you subscribe and click that little dingy wingy bell to never miss the next part of this, because I really want to see. What happens when you defeat that King Beetle. And I'm sure you guys do too. So yeah, remember to subscribe. Right, Ladybird, let's get out of here. Bum, 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 bum. That panda's got the same animation as me. Love it. Oh, and also I've got to mention this, but as to the new series, Bee Storm Simulator, I am going to be doing a Bee of the Day. So I have Rascal Bee, Bomber Bee. No, that's Rascal Bee. Bomber Bee. That's the red cool bee. That's the blue cool bee, and this is Exhausted Bee. Okay, so guys, there's Basic Bee, Bomber Bee, Brave Bee, Bumblebee, Cool Bee, Hasty Bee, Looker Bee, Rad Bee, Monsieur. So yeah, those are all of the bees that I haven't yet discovered, but I'm sure I'll discover them soon. Anyways, there's a royal jelly up on that bamboo shoot, which I'm quite tempted to get, but I know I'm probably not going to get it because my parkour skills are really not up to standard. Guys, seriously, you do not want to see me do parkour. Right. Like, seriously, you do not. Say, no, I failed. You have to go, da, 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 da. Then jump into that bamboo shoot, jump onto that bamboo shoot, and then get the royal jelly. You know what, I'm going to try it. Can't hurt, can it? Maybe it can. Oh wow, this is the first I've ever got. Okay. Oh, I barely made that. Oh my god. Oh my god, I think I'm going to make it. Oh my god, guys. Great. But I think I've discovered my new talent. I can parkour. I said that too soon. We'll get it later, guys, okay? And, no, I didn't want me to do that. Please get me out of here. Seriously, get me out of here. How do you get that royal jelly then? No, I think you have to... Okay, Rhino Beetle. You have to go... How do you even get up? Do you jump on these bamboo shoots? No. I actually don't know. How do you get that royal jelly? I really don't know how. Okay, then. No royal jelly. Oh, let's go go make some honey. Wait, no. We're going to get the king beetle. We're going to see what we can do out of the king beetle. My nose is really itchy today. That's better. Find a beetle. Right, okay. Come on, guys. I haven't got the toughest of bees, so... oh my god, he's got me down to lime health. No, he's got me down to lime health. What? Oh my god, I was on lime health and he literally went bam and I was gone. And I just lost all that amazing pollen that I gathered. Poop. That's just brilliant. Sorry guys, my camera today really is not up to standard. Right. What's another tower quests? Okay. Do. Okay guys, I think we have nothing to do. I'm gonna collect 1,000 honey and then probably go back to the hive. Actually, maybe 1,000 was a bit too ambitious. Maybe it wasn't. I'll quickly see if I can do this parkour. You have to be right on the edge. And then go. Pafafooey! Yay! Pafafooey! Yay! Pafafooey! No. Right, let's go back to the hive. Is that like an Easter egg thing, or is that actually someone up there? Can you see up there? If you just get, wait, look, there. I'm pretty sure I saw that last time. I think that's just an Easter egg. I don't think it's actually someone. Right. Right, they've collected all our honey, so I think that brings us to the end of episode 1 right there. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you do want to see part 2, make sure to comment down below and leave a like on this video. And also subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. Bye!